boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me no matter where you are in this beautiful world of ours. As you can see, it's nice and sunny here. I'm at the MedMen location. This location happens to be in Las Vegas, Nevada. As I make my MedMen tour, I'll be heading over to Phoenix, Arizona and seeing what's there. Also hope to get to Florida and hope to see what's there in Florida. But my friends, as you know, The Scoop is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker, I'm not a money manager. I write books. My books, like Make Money Online with Cannabis Stocks, where I list over 40 stocks, and also have a strategy that you can use in any market for the rest of your life. Also, investing in medical and recreational cannabis, buying before, during, or after legalization, promising medical marijuana and CBD treatments is out there. Also, the African Marijuana Gold Mine is out there. Plethora of books, my friends. The largest indoor and outdoor marijuana farm in the world. Your cannabis education is number one, my friends. Your cannabis education is number one, and we treasure that. Also, our latest book, Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow. Not only are we preparing today, but we're preparing for our tomorrows also, my friends. We expect Mr. Trump to sign 232. We expect some action in our uranium and vanadium stocks. Also, there is a bonus section in here on gold stocks. You'll have like 10 gold stocks that are moving up right now. Gold is kind of, it's giving us a lot of fake outs and ups and downs, but it's there, my friends, as this market kind of tumbles a little bit. But I'm here, I want to talk to you about MedMen for a second. There's a little news out of MedMen, right? MedMen continues California retail expansion in the city of Vallejo. Now, Vallejo is a little city that's northern, central kind of California. Now, this will be, let me just tell you a little bit about that area now. This will be the 15th store that they have in California. And a lot of people think, California is the prize. It's there with the most people, and they've done a lot in California. They'll also be doing things in Florida also. We'll talk about that in a second. But MedMen, the Mickey D low at $1.90, $1.95, $1.96 US dollars, my friends have said, hey, that's the Mickey D. When you stop purchasing and you stop accumulating MedMen, that marked the low. They say that marked. I don't think so. I don't think that pretty much. That's a basis for us. It's bottoming. MedMen is bottoming. And I believe in the long run, a bet against MedMen is a losing bet. As you go into these places, you see there's all kinds of people all over the place, all the time. There's a lot going on. And, this is like, this Vallejo license is like their fourth license in that area, kind of a Northern California area. So as they make their expansion, they go into Florida, they go into all these different areas, Arizona, and they do all this. We think that MedMen really does have the potential to do a little something. You're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit subscribe. We're boots on the ground. We go right to these places, just like here at MedMen. We ask them questions. We try and find out exactly what's going on with these people. And that's these companies. We make sure everybody's being paid. We make sure everything is copacetic. The CEO, what he says he's gonna do, we make sure he does it. We talk to him. You can get a feel. Airplane alert, airplane alert. You can get a really good idea of what's going on with the company when you talk to the employees. And they're not allowed to tell you a lot of things, but we did find out though that they'll be making an announcement pretty soon about the MedMen in the one in Venice Beach in California, where they'll be doing that expansion there. But you can't, they've got so much going on, and their brand is, and they're like, Canopy, they're making so much money. Not like Canopy, no one's like Canopy, but they're making so much money, and their expenses are just off the chain a little bit right now. But we expect them to come back and do something, my friends. We expect A bet against MedMen, we believe, in the long run, is a losing bet. So if this time next year, 2019, 2020, if we're talking about, MedMen is still a $2 US dollar USD stock, then, we were wrong. But at this point in time, we feel that MedMen has a little bit of what it takes, and we're willing to go in that direction. Once again, my friends, we're boots on the ground. Thank you very much for your supporting the books. Thank you very much for supporting the t-shirts, my friends. We do our best. If you're not supporting the t-shirt, you get in early, just like we do. Innovative Industrial Properties. I told you, it's gonna go down. Too far, too fast, of course, my friends. But that's a good company. It's a good company. And over a year ago, I told you about it. Page 35. So there's a lot of other companies in these books that you need to be aware of, because you're going to be in this business a very, very long time, my friends. Been a little long-winded, but MedMen is on the up and up, and that company is, airplane alert, company is going to be going up in the long term. Patience, my friends, in this business. Just like we're being patient right now with 232, we're in position with our vanadium stocks, with our uranium stocks, and we're just waiting right now. Patience, my friends, patience. That said, God bless you. You have a great day. Take care of you and your family.